In 2025, Mini PCs have evolved far beyond their compact frames, delivering power, versatility, and efficiency that rival traditional desktops. Whether you're a creative professional, a gamer on the go, a remote worker, or simply someone looking to declutter their workspace, today's Mini PCs offer impressive performance without the bulk. This year's top contenders push the limits of what small form-factor computing can achieve, packing advanced CPUs, high-speed storage, and sleek designs into palm-sized packages. In this roundup, we'll explore the top 5 best Mini PCs of 2025, machines that combine portability with power, and prove that good things really do come in small packages. Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini X. The Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini X, launched in April 2025, redefines compact computing by offering powerful performance in a sleek 1-liter chassis. Designed for professionals and creatives, it features Qualcomm's Snapdragon X series processors, including the Snapdragon X Plus, paired with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of Gen 4 SSD storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient handling of resource-intensive tasks. Connectivity is robust, with support for the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, ensuring fast and reliable wireless networking. The Mini X includes a comprehensive array of ports: front-facing USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, and a headphone jack. Rear ports feature 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 1 USB-A 2.0, USB-C 4, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and an Ethernet port. This extensive selection accommodates various peripherals and display setups. A standout feature is its built-in 150 watts power supply, eliminating the need for bulky external adapters and contributing to a cleaner workspace. The dual-fan cooling system maintains optimal temperatures, ensuring quiet operation even under heavy workloads. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades, making it a future-proof investment. Priced starting at $660, the Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini X offers a compelling package for those seeking a compact yet powerful desktop solution. Its combination of performance, connectivity, and design makes it a noteworthy option in the Mini PC market. Geekom GT1 Mega. The Geekom GT1 Mega is a compact yet powerful Mini PC that delivers high-performance computing in a sleek aluminum chassis measuring just 135 by 132 by 44.35 millimeters. Powered by Intel's 14th Gen Core Ultra 9185H processor, 16 cores, 22 threads, up to 5.1 GHz. It integrates Intel Arc graphics and an AI Boost NPU, making it suitable for tasks ranging from content creation to AI workloads. With 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5 6000 RAM, expandable up to 64 GB, and a 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, the GT1 Mega ensures swift multitasking and ample storage. Connectivity is a strong suit, featuring dual 2.5 gigabits per second, Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 2 USB 4.0 ports, 6 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, an SD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The device supports up to 4 displays simultaneously, including 2 8K and 2 4K monitors, catering to professionals requiring extensive screen real estate. Thermal management is handled by the Ice Blast 2.0 cooling system, which enhances heat dissipation and reduces noise levels by up to 40%. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the GT1 Mega is ready for immediate deployment in various environments. Priced starting at $1,000, it offers a compelling package for users seeking a balance between size and performance. Minisforum AI X1 Pro. The Minisforum AI X1 Pro redefines the Mini PC landscape by integrating cutting-edge AI capabilities with robust hardware in a compact form. At its core lies the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, boasting 12 cores and 24 threads, achieving boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz. This processor is complemented by an integrated AMD Radeon 890M GPU based on the RDNA 3.5 architecture, delivering impressive graphics performance suitable for both professional tasks and gaming. A standout feature is its AI prowess, with an NPU delivering up to 80 TOPS, facilitating on-device AI tasks such as real-time subtitles, intelligent recall functions, and advanced noise cancellation. The AI X1 Pro supports up to 96 GB of DDR5-5600 MHz RAM and offers 3 M2-2280 PCIe 4.0 SSD slots, accommodating up to 12 TB of storage, ensuring ample space and speed for demanding applications. Connectivity is comprehensive, featuring dual USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.0, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and an OCU link port for external GPU support. The inclusion of a fingerprint sensor enhances security, while the built-in 135 watts power supply and efficient cooling system ensure optimal performance without external clutter. Pricing begins at $900 for the 32 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD configuration, scaling up to $1,089 for the top-tier model with 96 GB RAM and 2 TB SSD. Pre-orders are available through Minisforum's official website. Beelink SER9. The Beelink SER9 is a high-performance mini PC that combines powerful hardware with advanced AI capabilities, all within a compact and elegant design. At its core is the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, featuring 12 cores, 4 high-performance Zen 5 and 8 efficient Zen 5C and 24 threads, reaching boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz. This is complemented by the integrated AMD Radeon 890M GPU based on the RDNA 3.5 architecture, delivering exceptional graphics performance suitable for both professional tasks and gaming. The SER9 is equipped with 32 GB of LPDDR 5x7500 MHz RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness. Storage is handled by a 1 TB Crucial NVMe SSD, with the option to expand up to 8 TB via dual M22280 PCIe 4.0 slots. Connectivity options are extensive, including USB 4, USB 3.2, USB 2.0, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, 2.5 GB Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2. The device also supports triple 4K display output, making it ideal for multitasking and content creation. AI features are a standout, with an integrated NPU delivering up to 80 TOPS, facilitating tasks such as voice recognition and noise cancellation. The built-in microphone supports 360-degree voice pickup within a 5-meter range, enhancing voice interaction capabilities. Additionally, the SER9 operates quietly, with noise levels as low as 32 decibels, thanks to its advanced cooling system. Priced at $950, the Beelink SER9 offers a compelling package for users seeking a compact yet powerful computing solution. It is available for purchase directly from Beelink's official website. Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro. The Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro, launched in late 2024, is a compact powerhouse tailored for professionals seeking robust performance in a minimalist form factor. Priced at $1,400, it features the advanced M4 Pro chip, boasting a 12-core CPU comprising 10 performance cores and 2 efficiency cores, and a 16-core GPU delivering exceptional speed and efficiency for demanding tasks. This model comes equipped with 24 GB of unified memory and a 512 GB SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and rapid data access. The 16-core neural engine enhances AI-driven applications, making it ideal for workflows involving machine learning and data analysis. Connectivity is a standout feature, with the Mac Mini M4 Pro offering 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports, 2 front-facing USB-C ports, HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet, and a headphone jack, facilitating versatile peripheral integration and high-speed data transfer. In terms of display capabilities, it supports up to 3 6K displays at 60 Hz, catering to professionals requiring expansive visual workspaces. Environmentally conscious users will appreciate that the Mac Mini M4 Pro is Apple's first carbon-neutral Mac, incorporating recycled materials and energy-efficient components. Overall, the Mac Mini M4 Pro offers a compelling blend of performance, connectivity, and sustainability, making it a top choice for professionals seeking a compact yet powerful desktop solution.